front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard. Now click on Clipboard at the top of it, over here. So sorry, misclick. And if you can't see it, like in this case, click on this icon at the top left corner of your keyboard and click on it here. Either way, now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. And to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use Pin option. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to edit anything from Clipboard, hold one of your bubbles, text bubbles. Tap on Edit right under Pin in the pop-up and make your changes. Make sure to tap on Save. In order to delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on Delete. You can also tap on this pen at the top right corner, select multiple things from Clipboard and operate those two options: Pin, Unpin, or Delete. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!